Welcome back. In this video, we will cover OneCart's Low Stock Report. Let's navigate under Health Check, Low Stock page. This page summarizes your SKUs whose quantity on hand has fallen below your specified reserve quantity. Now, you can specify a reserve quantity for every single SKU in your OneCart inventory list. Generally, you would want to have this reserve quantity set to 10 or perhaps 15 or perhaps 50. That is a quantity that gives you enough time to go and make a new purchase with your supplier so that by the time you're down to say 5 or 4 pieces, you would already have your new inbound shipment already arrived. So this quantity will depend generally on your lead time to receive time, your lead purchase time to your receive time on your inbound order. And so with this information, you can quickly decide whether you want to reorder or not reorder SKUs that are low on stock.
Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? With OneCart, you get effortless inventory syncing, streamlined listing management, and seamless multi-platform integration. Don't just take our word for it, hear from our happy customers. Experience the OneCart difference and start your free trial today. Simplify your workflow, grow your business. OneCart, your all-in-one e-commerce solution.